Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Wise to PayPal. It is simple and easy to do, so let's get straight forward. Go to the app and click on the payments right here, as you see on the screen. Then go to the payments and click on the send button. Then you will need to select your currency, so Euro or Chinese Yuan, and etc. But after that, what you'll need to do is right here, log into PayPal, find the correct bank details, and link the Wise bank account. As you can see, get Wise bank details. In Wise, open your balances, and as you can see, all the guide in here. What you'll need to do is add Wise details to PayPal. Go to back to PayPal, click on wallet, link a bank, enter Wise bank details, and that's how you transfer your funds. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.